welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Zebronics Zeb Axon portable Bluetooth speaker. Now we're looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like, and they've also called out a couple of features, namely that this uses Bluetooth 4.2. It's got a USB interface as well. It can accept MicroSD cards. It's got FM functionality as well as an auxiliary input. The design is like a barrel, as you can see. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery, and the drivers happen to be 6.35 centimeters wide. On either side, you have a bit more of branding as well as the name of the speaker. On the rear, you can see specifications. So the drivers output about 10 watts, that is RMS, and the maximum flash drive, that is USB flash drive or microSD card that you can insert in this speaker should be of 32 gigabytes. The charging time is 3 hours, and with that you'll get 4 hours of playback time, and that is obviously rated at 50% volume. This thing is about 600 grams, and the product dimensions can be seen over here. It's 237 by 94 by 103 millimeters. Then you have a little note regarding who's importing it in the country and also what's inside the box. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. Let's check out all the accessories that we get. So first you have the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device and if there are any additional features that you should be aware of. Then you have the charging cable. This thing uses a micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A interface on the other. And it's about 50 centimeters long. Then you have an auxiliary cable, which is also 50 centimeters long. This thing is a TRS or tapering sleeve, so there's no microphone data being channeled, nor do they advertise the same. Lastly, you have the speakers. As you can see, it conforms to a barrel-shaped construction. You've got feet on the bottom to keep it steady and supported. There's nothing on the front, top, or well, along the cylindrical side. On one end, you can see the driver on the inside, and on the other end, you can see the control dock. So there's little on-off slider switch. There's the USB port for inserting flash drives. Then there's the DC power in. This is the micro USB interface. An auxiliary input for your 3.5mm jack. A reset switch. A micro SD card slot for inserting micro SD cards. And buttons for playback and switching to different modes. If we power it on, it will give you an audio prompt telling you exactly what mode it's set to and if at all it's meant for pairing it.
Experience Sound Monster.
Bluetooth mode.
So the moment you power it on, it enters Bluetooth mode. So that's it for the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Axon portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.